Good thing. I want to do a quick video on this scope because I'm going to sell this on eBay. And one of the things that some less, than above board sellers will do on eBay is they will modify the dip switch settings for debug on the processor board inside of these units, and then turn off the error detection effectively. Then they'll show you the error detection page where the error detection page shows no errors. Now what I want to show here, and hopefully you can see this, is that this scope had been last calibrated by an Agilent lab somewhere. And so you can see that the cowboy stickers that are the Agilent stickers are still over all of the rear screw holes where you would normally put a screw in to go and take the cover off. So I haven't modified the actual dip switches there. So now I'm going to turn this unit on, and you'll see it boot. I accidentally hit the on switch while I turned it around, but we'll see it boot, and you'll see it run through self-test with no errors. And you can see the Agilent little cal sticker there. And here we are. We have options 1.3, 1F, HD, 2M, and 2F on this unit, which are floppy, hard drive, 2 meg, the extended memory. The other is the serial, Centronics, and GPIB ports, and then there's one other, which I forget right now. Anyway, let's go and select Shift Utility. That's going to bring us over to the System Config menu. We're going to go to Dialog Error. We're going to look at the error log. You'll see the error log is empty. And now, if I had run SPC or something had failed in here, you would see it in here. So what I'm going to go do is I'm going to come back here. Oh, not going to come back. Anyway, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go All Items. We'll select Test All, and then we're going to go Execute. Now, when we execute, because these Tektronix scopes, they'll actually reboot when they execute. So we'll see a complete reboot focus here. And you can watch the reboot approach as it goes on, and ensure that I'm not actually changing any stuff here. So they do the colored display here primarily by the use of an LCD filter that's on top of monochrome display. It's very cool. I sort of love how the TDS units do this. I'm selling this unit because I actually prefer the Keysight scopes, and I have an Agilent, well, I prefer HP scopes, but I have an Agilent unit that's a 1.5 gigahertz Agilent unit, 4-channel. I actually prefer that, the Infinium 54845A. And so I got this as part of I ended up with 3 1 gigahertz scopes there at one point, but that's another story. I got this as part of an auction bid that I was doing. And so this came in, the Infinium scope came in. I got the Infinium scope working. There was a problem with the AD hybrids on it. And that enabled me to have this scope left over to sell. And so, you can hear it going through as it's testing all of the relays here. But now that I have the scope here to sell, I wanted to do this short video to prove from boot to boot that this thing was working. And here we'll see, boots up, all self-checks passed. Let's clear menu, and let's go Shift Utility again, and we'll come over here to the dialog error, and we'll look at the error log, and you'll see the error log is empty. So that proves that this TDS784C scope will actually boot, run its self-tests, and pass cleanly and be ready for use. You saw from the cowboy stickers on the back that the cover hadn't been taken off, and the dip switches can't have been changed. Anyway, hope you found that interesting, and I hope you buy my scope. It'll be on eBay. Look forward to selling it to you. Catch you later. Bye.